Why men and how to fix it naturally. Many men over 50 feel tired all the time, low energy in the morning, less motivation during the day, and by evening, complete exhaustion. But this is not just getting older. In most cases, it happens because of 3 hidden reasons. First, a poor blood circulation. As we age, blood flow slows down, especially to the muscles and core. This reduces stamina and overall strength. Daily walking, light strength movements, and mobility exercises can dramatically improve circulation. Second, weak core and pelvic muscles. These muscles support posture, balance, and energy levels. When they weaken, the body feels heavy and slow. Simple core and pelvic exercises for just a few minutes a day can restore stability and confidence. Third, a poor sleep and stress. High stress lowers natural energy hormones. Lack of quality sleep makes recovery slower. Deep breathing, a regular sleep schedule, and limiting screen time at night can make a big difference. Here's the truth: energy doesn't disappear after 50. It fades when movement stops. Men who stay active, manage stress, and train the right muscles often feel stronger in their 60s than they did in their 40s. Start small. Stay consistent. Your body will respond. Because aging is natural, but losing your vitality is optional.